Check it.
Got Jimmy John's today. They're finally toasting their sandwiches, so I got the roast beef and cheddar. It has lettuce, roast beef, cheddar cheese. Looks like these straw onions here. And it has horseradish sauce and mayonnaise. Another look at it. Let's dive in.
Wow, the mouth. Big Ralphie.
The roast beef is tender. They could have put a little more cheese on it though. I don't care, I always gotta get the kicking ranch. The sun is bright today, my bad y'all.
Another one.
This motherfucker got a car tray.
Bangin'. Let's get one more dip. It's a 7 for me. It was a good sandwich, don't get me wrong. Could have used a little bit more cheese, but overall, it was a good sandwich. If you happen to try the other two out, let me know how they are. And if they're that good, I'll circle the block and get those two as well. But don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that follow button. And I'll see you next time. Appreciate the support.